this video I will show you how to publish your app to your own server. This assumes that you have already installed my backend template on your server, and now you're in the situation that you have your first version of your app and you want to make it public on your server so that it's available under your domain. Okay, in the first part of the video we created this little app. This is a chat template app, so you can choose different templates for prompts. For example, I have a template to improve my grammar that I use often with ChatGPT, and I don't want to type this prompt all the time. And okay, when I press the send button, this is not implemented yet, but then in the future version it should send this request to ChatGPT or Anthropic Claude and get a reply. And you can choose then between different templates. Okay, so this is the very basic beginning of this app. It doesn't do anything yet, but I want to show you how to deploy it on a server. Okay, so let's go back to the app. The server is running, and since the last video I added two small things. And this is the ecosystem config. This is a configuration for the PM2 process manager. This will be provided to you with the template. So in here you see this is the name of your server, how it will appear to the process manager later, on which port the server shall run. And here's the path when you build your app for production. This is the output path, and we have to put this into the configuration system as well. This whole configuration file, you will get it from the template, and you just have to add it to your own app to make it available. And another small thing that I added is just a start script to make it a bit more convenient to start your app once it's on the server. And this is how it started. So we use the process manager 2, and we start the configuration of the app. So this is how it goes. Okay, I pushed this app to Git already. So you can see it here. Okay, so I have my app. I have uploaded it in GitHub, and next we are going to look at the server now. So I'm already connected, and now let's clone the repository of my little app. Okay, now it's cloned. Let's go into the folder. So this is on my server now, on my virtual private server. Okay, once you're in there, you will have to install the app first again with yarn install. Okay, installation was successful, and now we need to build it. And we can do this with yarn build the application for production. While this is running, I can show you a small description of what this does. It bundles the app into static files for production. Okay, this was successful as well, and now the output, the static files for this app are now found in the output folder, output server index mjs, and this is how you could start it, but we are using the process manager PM2, which handles this. It starts the application, it restarts the application if it fails, and it also manages when your whole machine, when your whole server is restarting, it starts your server up again as well, This is also, all of this is configured in the backend template, so you don't have to configure anything of this yet. This is all done for you when you install the backend template. So now let's start actually the server. So we have the start server script. Let's give it the permissions to run. And let's go. Okay, now you see the output of the process manager. I have several servers running already. The new one is the chat templates web. This one just started. We are also running a dashboard that also belongs to the backend template. And those are two of my own servers. That's some different stuff. You can also look at the log files with the PM2 manager. It works like this. PM2 logs, and then you can type in the number 48, and we see it is running on port 3000 already with HTTP. So, but your app will be accessible with HTTPS. I will explain this shortly, but yeah, let's first try it out. So the domain of my server is the following. And here's our app. And now we are going to look at the certificate. Let's see how this was called. It was called with HTTPS. And it's secure. And the certificate is valid. Maybe I should switch my language to English here in the machine as well. And here you see it was created by Let's Encrypt. So when you install the backend template, it will automatically generate certificates for your server, so that all of your apps will be available via HTTPS. Okay, that's it. It's available. So you see that was very quick. Let me summarize again. We made a very small app. You just had to upload it to your server, for example, through GitHub. We installed it, we built it, and then only we started it. Everything else was done for us. And your app is available via HTTPS already. Okay, next we are going to build the backend.